Hi there. Today is a very special day. We're gonna do a very fast and cheap upgrade on a Mustang S650. It's a 2024 5.0, and today we're going to upgrade the stereo system. Pretty much give it a little bit extra power. Everybody that owns these vehicles, they know these speakers are very bad from factory. Nobody likes them, and there's no bass enough. It's pretty much yucky. Well, right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace the original speaker. It's a cardboard speaker for this Pioneer one. It's a PS-A250D4. You can buy it for like 65, 70 bucks on Amazon. It's pretty cheap. I'm gonna post the links down below. We also have the polyester. It's pretty much to fill up the void over there. Make sure that the sound does what it's supposed to do. And also we have the connectors. So pretty much to make sure that this gets turns into a plug and play situation. So what you guys are about to see is me removing the speaker out of the vehicle. I'm going to remove the whole box, and I'm going to show you guys a little by little of how I'm going to make the changes and reinstall it. You guys are going to see a kind of a preview and also the results as best as possible. Honestly, I'm filming with an iPhone. I don't know how real or how good it's going to sound for you guys, but at least I'm going to try my best. If not, well, I can guarantee that it is a kind of a known formula. I'm not reinventing the wheel over here. I'm not the first one or the last one doing this. There's plenty of videos out there of people doing similar upgrades on their vehicles. So today is not going to be different. So let's get to it, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Please hit subscribe, hit like. It helps the business to keep progressing, and I appreciate you guys' audience as well. Thank you so much. Alright, so after tearing apart, pretty much what you're gonna find is this very cheap cardboard speaker, and that's pretty much what we're gonna replace today for the Pioneer. Okay, now, so we got the Pioneer over here unboxed, right? And right away you can see some differences in between the cardboard paper one versus this one. You can see the size of the coil. Look at this, nice, right? Versus original, you can see the border is very tiny in comparison to that one. Look at the size of the coil. Yep, I think this new speaker is gonna make a huge difference. There is a little bit of modification that I have to do over here. I'm gonna have to cut off these corners over here. This way the holes will match with the box over there. It's not a perfect fit, so I'm gonna have to do a little V-shaped cut over here on all these little holes over here, right? you guys are gonna see me installing this back to the car, and hopefully I can show you guys something. So that's it for today's video. It was a very nice upgrade. Unfortunately, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to hear it the same way that I did, but it's badass. It really, really rocks. It fixed the problem. The sound system on this car is very, very crappy from factory. Even having the 18 freaking speakers or whatever, it's still not very, very good quality. This speaker made a world of difference in this car. Now, for sure, we got quality of sound. It's way, way better now to hear than before. It's way more surroundy, let's say like that. You can definitely feel the beat a little bit more. Before, it was just like another voice speaker. It was not so good. So I definitely think that this is a very good upgrade for the price. In total, I think it cost about $80, $90 with everything all together already shipped at home. So it's really, really worth it. I would definitely recommend any S650 or S550 Mustangs owners to do this, you know. So thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this kind of video. If you do, hit the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and soon we're gonna show up with more videos over here from Dave's Mechanic Shop. See you guys soon, and stay safe.